Today's video is about places to visit in Dubrovnik. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Sandglakar World Travel Buddy. First place to visit is Pile Gate, the main entrance to Old Town. Busy Pile Gate used to have a wooden drawbridge which used to be pulled up at night to prevent unwelcome guests entering the medieval, walled city. Our second place to visit is Onofrio's Fountain. The Big Onofrio's Fountain is a 16-sided container with a cupola, and was one of the ending points of the aqueduct system. Each of the 16 sides has a unique stone-carved masked face design with the faucet projecting out of the mouth of each design. Our third place to visit is Dubrovnik Walls. Walls of Dubrovnik were built in the 13th century. During the 15th century were built 15 towers as a part of the city walls. Some of them are preserved until today. The walls run uninterrupted for 1940 meters in length, encircling most of the city, and reach a maximum height of about 25 meters. Our fourth place to visit is Lovrijenac Fort. Fort Lovrijenac, often called Dubrovnik's Gibraltar, is a fortress outside the western wall of the city of Dubrovnik in Croatia, 37 meters, 121 feet above sea level. The vast majority of scenes that take place within the Red Keep have been filmed inside the Lovrijenac Fort. This includes scenes like Joffrey's name day or the long dialogues between Cersei and Littlefinger in Season 1 of Game of Thrones. Our fifth place to visit is Old Port Dubrovnik. Old Port Dubrovnik is located at the eastern part of the city. The port is encompassed by two breakwaters. Breakwater Porpirila in front of St. John Fortress and Case Breakwater going perpendicular across the port bay. You can rent a boat from here to go to the Lokrum Island. Our sixth place to visit is Baroque Stairs. The most iconic scene in Season 5 of Game of Thrones, Walk of Shame, in which Cersei Lannister forced to walk naked through the streets of King's Landing, begin at the top of the Jesuit staircase. This beautiful and elegant Baroque stairs are located on the south side of Gundulik Square. Our seventh place to visit is Blackwater Bay. Located in the western region of Dubrovnik's Old Town is Pile Bay. Offering stunning views of Fort Lovrijenac and Fort Boger, this area was used as a transport hub for seafarers arriving in the city. Pile Bay is the filming location of Blackwater Bay in the Game of Thrones TV series. Our last place to visit is King's Landing View from Lovrijenac Fort. For more such travel video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Sandglakar World Travel Buddy.